Hey, what is up, guys? You're back with your boy Melts HD, and today we are live playing Halo Infinite.
Your team scoring.
Stronghold Alpha lost.
You think I can get this off with the sword? Pop off?
Stronghold Bravo is ours.
Yeah, definitely I can pop up. Damn.
Double kill.
Oh yeah, I definitely can pop up with the sword.
Try to take it from us.
Enemy team scoring.
Stronghold Bravo lost. Stronghold Bravo lost.
Did some damage.
Oh, killing spree! I was on a nice kill spree, bro.
What up, what up, what up, what up?
Enemies on me.
Oh yeah, I got.
Stronghold Bravo is ours. I never tire of this weapon.
Give me my needlers, boy. Take my needlers.
We've captured Charlie.
Your team scoring.
Get that shit.
Closing in.
What up?
Stronghold Alpha is ours.
Snipers at
Sniper
mid.
available. Stronghold Charlie lost.
Take cover. Enemies on me.
Killing spree.
Enemy shields down.
Plasma grenades acquired. Bet that was a surprise.
Enemies below us.
How satisfying.
Score
Damage.
7-0.
Halfway to victory. Killing frenzy.
Sword work.
Double kill.
No. Oh no, that's my first death. 14-1. Oh man. I lagged super hard.
Nearing victory.
No one's getting close to me.
What ammo left, Spartan? Do be careful with that. It's sharp.
Reloading.
Spectacular.
Woo!
Victory.
18-1. 18-1. That's my best game so far. Let's go. 18-1. 18-1.